10 gadgets you need to have for camping. Camping is a fantastic way to reconnect with nature, unwind from the daily grind, and enjoy the great outdoors. However, having the right gadgets can make your camping experience even more enjoyable and hassle-free. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a novice looking to explore the wilderness, the right tools can enhance your adventure, ensuring comfort, safety, and convenience. Each of these tools is designed to make your camping experience smoother and more enjoyable, allowing you to focus on what really matters, connecting with nature and making lasting memories. Imagine setting off on your camping adventure with all the essentials packed and ready to go. Backpack Power Station. In the age of technology, staying connected is more important than ever, even while camping. The Backpack Power Station is a game changer, allowing you to charge your devices without being tethered to a power outlet. Imagine hiking to your campsite, knowing you have a reliable source of energy for your smartphone, GPS, and other devices. This power station is compact and lightweight, designed to fit perfectly in your backpack without adding unnecessary bulk. Equipped with multiple USB ports and a powerful battery, it can keep your gadgets charged for days, ensuring that you never miss an important call or the chance to capture stunning photos of your surroundings. Lockhart Trip Alarm. Safety is paramount when it comes to camping, and the Lockhart Trip Alarm is an innovative gadget designed to enhance your security in the wilderness. This compact alarm system can be easily set up around your campsite to alert you to any intrusions, whether they be human or animal. The device emits a loud alarm when triggered, giving you ample time to react to potential threats. This feature is especially useful in remote areas where wildlife encounters are a possibility, providing an extra layer of protection for you and your gear. The Lockhart Trip Alarm is user-friendly and can be set up in just a few minutes. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to transport without taking up much space in your gear. Bright Strike Camp Perimeter Security System. For those who want an even more robust security solution, the Bright Strike Camp Perimeter Security System is an excellent choice. This advanced system offers comprehensive coverage of your camping area, providing peace of mind during your outdoor adventures. The setup includes motion sensors and a loud alarm that activates if an intruder enters your campsite. Imagine enjoying a peaceful night under the stars, fully aware that you have a state-of-the-art security system protecting you and your belongings. The Bright Strike system is designed to be weather-resistant and durable, ensuring that it can withstand the elements while keeping your campsite secure. Scrub-A-Wash Bag Mini. When camping, keeping clean can be a challenge, but the Scrub-A-Wash Bag Mini makes it easier than ever. This portable washing machine allows you to wash your clothes on the go, ensuring that you stay fresh and comfortable throughout your trip. The design features a unique washing board inside the bag that helps scrub clothes efficiently, using minimal water and detergent. Imagine being able to wash your clothes after a long day of hiking, all while enjoying the great outdoors. The Scrub-A-Wash Bag Mini is compact and lightweight, making it a perfect addition to your camping gear. It can handle various fabrics, from cotton to synthetics, ensuring your entire wardrobe stays fresh. Bespoke Post Service. For those who appreciate quality gear, the Bespoke Post Service offers a unique subscription box filled with high-quality camping products delivered straight to your door. Each month, you can discover new gadgets and essentials tailored to outdoor enthusiasts. This service allows you to try innovative products that enhance your camping experience, from cooking tools to survival gear. Imagine receiving a box filled with exciting items that not only improve your camping setup, but also add a sense of anticipation and joy to your outdoor adventures. With Bespoke Post, you can curate your own camping kit based on your preferences and needs. Each box is thoughtfully designed to include items that are practical and stylish, ensuring that you have the best tools for your adventures. Garmin GPS Map 66i. Navigating the great outdoors can be challenging, but with the Garmin GPS Map 66i, you'll never feel lost again. This advanced GPS device combines topographic mapping with satellite communication, providing you with the tools to explore confidently. The 66i features a large, easy-to-read screen that displays detailed maps and allows for seamless navigation. Imagine hiking through dense forests or mountainous terrain, knowing that you have a reliable device guiding you every step of the way. One of the standout features of the Garmin GPS Map 66 is its two-way messaging capability. In areas without cell service, you can still stay in touch with friends and family or call for help if needed. Dynayak Power Station. For campers who need a reliable power source for their devices, the Dynayak Power Station is an excellent choice. This compact power station provides ample energy to charge your smartphones, tablets, and even small appliances. With multiple outlets and a robust battery, you can enjoy the conveniences of home while immersed in nature. Imagine brewing your morning coffee or keeping your devices charged for navigation and entertainment without worrying about finding a power source. The Gadget is designed for portability, making it easy to transport from your car to your campsite. Many models include solar charging capabilities, allowing you to harness renewable energy to keep your power station charged. This feature is especially beneficial for longer trips where access to electricity may be limited. Geyser System's Hot Portable Shower. Maintaining hygiene while camping can be a challenge, but the Geyser System's Hot Portable Shower makes it easy. This innovative shower system heats water on demand, providing you with a comfortable and refreshing shower experience in the great outdoors. The design allows you to use minimal water while still enjoying the luxury of a hot shower, making it perfect for camping trips. Imagine washing off the sweat and grime after a long day of hiking, feeling rejuvenated and clean. The Geyser System's shower is lightweight and easy to set up, making it a convenient addition to your camping gear. It uses a rechargeable battery and can be set up in minutes, allowing you to enjoy a hot shower wherever you are. This gadget not only enhances your camping experience but also promotes better hygiene, ensuring that you feel your best during your outdoor adventures. Enthusiast Uno. The Enthusiast Uno is an innovative camping stove that combines convenience and efficiency in one compact package. This lightweight stove is designed to be portable, making it perfect for campers who want to cook delicious meals on the go. Its unique design allows you to use various fuel sources, including wood, charcoal, or even twigs, providing flexibility in cooking options. Imagine enjoying a warm meal after a long day of exploring, all thanks to the Enthusiast Uno's versatility. Beyond its cooking capabilities, the Enthusiast Uno is also environmentally friendly. Its efficient combustion system minimizes smoke and fuel consumption, making it a sustainable choice for outdoor cooking. The stove is easy to assemble and disassemble, ensuring that you can set it up quickly when hunger strikes. Titan Survivor Steel Ferrocerium Fire Starter. No camping trip is complete without a reliable fire starter, and the Titan Survivor Steel Ferrocerium Fire Starter is an essential tool for any camper. This durable fire starter is designed to produce a hot, bright spark that ignites tinder and kindling with ease. It's made from high-quality materials that ensure longevity, allowing you to create a fire in various weather conditions. Imagine gathering around a warm campfire in the evening, sharing stories and enjoying the ambience that only a fire can provide. The Titan Survivor Steel is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry in your camping gear. Its rugged design ensures that it can withstand the elements, so you never have to worry about it failing when you need it most. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.